The last couple years changed me. Burnout will do that. So will rejection. So will shrinking yourself to be loved. Job offers disappeared. Confidence wavered. So this trip wasn't just about wine. It was about remembering I don't have to live small. I was always enough. After La Bufadora, we headed inland towards Valle de Guadalupe, Mexico's wine country. I didn't know what to expect, but Mexico already surprised me. And then we found this. Clear water, cliffs, and ancient rock shaped by time. There's something about witnessing God's creation like that. It quiets everything inside you. I almost didn't come to Mexico at all. And now, here I was, standing on the edge of it. It's wild how fear can shrink your world, and one decision can open it back up. The road carried us along the coast. I found myself smiling the whole drive, just taking in the beauty around me. Palm trees, dusty streets, real life moving around you. Then the road bends into the valley and the landscape shifts again. Rolling hills, rocky slopes, vineyards stretching across the land. What I love most about traveling is realizing how many worlds exist that we never knew about. Entire places full of life and beauty, whether we ever arrived there or not. Bruma was where we landed. Rustic, quiet, built gently into the hills. Arriving at this place slowed everything down. My body relaxed. My heart felt warm, like I could finally breathe again. Little by little, I felt myself remembering something important. I don't have to shrink to be loved, and I don't have to dim who I am just to be accepted. We ended the night at Fauna. A golden Baja sunset settling over the valley. Firelight and amazing food. And a surprise guest that I just couldn't turn away. The past year has been a reset. I didn't ask for career shifts, relationships ending, or life dissolving the way it did. At 41, I didn't expect to be rebuilding this much, and I definitely didn't expect to feel this unsure about what comes next. While walking through these vineyards, I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time. I wasn't editing myself just to make someone else comfortable. I was just free to be me. Loud, boisterous Texan, and completely unapologetic about it. Bruma felt intentional, grounded, like something built slowly on purpose. And maybe that's what I'm doing too, rebuilding, layer by layer.
Welcome to the set. Absorbing too much wine,
Yeah.
that's bad.
Up here at Las Nubes, the valley stretches wide in every direction. Vineyards, homes, entire lives unfolding quietly. Some people say starting over is exciting. But when you're living inside the uncertainty, it doesn't always feel that way. But slowly, I'm rebuilding. My confidence, my identity, my spirit. I'm learning it's okay to not have it all figured out. It's okay to feel fear around the unknown. And it's okay to truly just be me. Maybe this year it's just a blank page, and maybe one day I'll look back on it and say, wow, that was the year everything changed.